How to draw arrows in chess.com. So first, you just have to go to any web browser and then type chess.com, and you can see here, you just have to click play online and you will have options if you want to play as guest or if you want to sign up. Okay, so for me, I want to play as guest and I want to choose beginner because I am indeed a beginner. So the question is, how are you going to draw arrows? It's very easy. All you have to do is simply click the right button of the mouse and then point it into the area where you want to end the arrow. For example, this one, click right button and then drag it here, and you will see that there's an arrow that will appear. Also, this one, you just have to click right button and then draw an arrow here. Okay, so that's it. Now the question is, how can you remove these arrows? Then all you have to do is to simply right click again the start of this arrow to the end of this arrow. And there, that's how you remove that. Tap the right button again to this side, up to the side, and then it will remove the arrow. If you want to remove all the arrows, just have to left click. As easy as that. Okay, and that's it. That's how easy it is to draw an arrow. You just have to click the right button of the mouse and then point it anywhere to draw arrow. And if you want to remove it, you just have to simply click the left button of the mouse and it will remove all the arrows that you draw. So I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.